Now we get a KY181 AI dashcam. It has a true 4K resolution. Not only does it have an ultra-wide 140 degrees field of view, but it also has superb night vision, thanks to the Sony Starvis image sensor. It has GPS to record driving speed, and acceleration sensors to activate emergency recording in the case of a collision. It is also equipped with cutting-edge AI features, including ADAS, LCA, RCW and more, to sufficiently ensure your driving safety. Now, what is taken out is the KY181 AI dashcam, which has a 3.0-inch display. A plastic static sticker. The Quick Start Guide, which briefly introduces the product and its features, as well as installation and settings. A product warranty card. Lift the cover of the lower layer of the package. One of the plastic bags contains the car power cable for the AI dash cam, which has a Type-C connector. This plastic bag also contains a car power adapter. The other plastic bag contains the rear camera and its cable connected to the AI dash cam. Take out the KY181 AI dash cam. This is the TF card slot. Prepare a memory card with a read/write speed level of not less than U3 and insert it into the card slot. KY181 AI dash cam supports up to 256GB memory card. This is the rear camera. You can adjust the angle of the camera by rotating the body. This is the jack to connect the rear camera. Plug it in, and then AI dash cam can record the video captured by the rear camera. Find the Type-C end of the car charger cable and plug it into the AI dash cam. The other end plugs into the USB port of the car power adapter. This basically completes the wiring connection of the AI dash cam. The front camera needs to be mounted right in the middle of the windshield, and the deviation from the center line should not exceed 10 centimeters. Otherwise, the accuracy of the AI function may be affected. It is recommended that the front camera be mounted behind the rearview mirror to avoid obstructing the driver's view. Choose a suitable mounting location on the windshield and make sure to wipe the location area clean. Take out the static sticker and peel off the overlay film. Apply the one with the dotted box printed on it and stick it on the windshield. Remove the overlay to expose the 3M adhesive. Remove the protective film from the lens and screen. Align the camera bracket with the dashed frame of the static sticker. Stick the bracket firmly to the static sticker and fix it for at least 30 seconds. Now come to install the rear camera. Again, wipe the paste location clean. Remove the overlay to expose the 3M adhesive. You can rotate the camera body at any time to adjust the shooting angle to make sure the picture is centered. Make sure the wire extensions are oriented to the right. Please remove the protective film of the lens to avoid blurring the image. Attach the rear camera to the center line of the glass at the back of the car and avoid wipers and other things from blocking it. Then route the wires to the front camera. Connect the rear camera to the AI dashcam. Plug the car power adapter into the cigarette lighter port. Then plug the Type-C end of the power cable into the AI dashcam. And finally plug the USB end into the car power adapter. Now we can see that the AI dashcam is powered on with the vehicle started. Hide the wiring to the back of the interior trim. You can also use a pry bar like this one to pry open the panel. The overall alignment is shown in the picture. If you get stuck, you can also seek the help of an auto store professional. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you find this video useful.